I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel and today's fall wig series. Can you guys believe we're already on week 3? Yeah, I know. But I just want to take a moment to thank those of you who've been tuning in and supporting this series every week. Your love and support truly means the world to me. Now today's unit, I'm bringing you a fiery red, showstopper, and an attention grabber. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline Laurel. The color is DRFF Red Velvet. Now with the clap construction of this unit, they did add an additional layer of lace net underneath the original lace. Now, I don't know if this is a good thing or not, but we're going to find out later on, okay? So stay tuned. Now, to make sure this lace blends flawlessly into my skin, I'm using my Lace Tinted Spray by Red in the shade Dark Brown. I did check to see if they carry a darker shade since this shade has a bit of an orange undertone to my skin, but this is the deepest they offer. So if any of you lovely supporters know of a brand with a darker lace tint option, please let your girl know down in the comments below. And I'm clipping the hair to the back to make this install easier. Then clipping the lace into 3 sections and removing the ear tabs. This helps me work on each section with more precision. For hold, I'm using my go-to Ebin Mold and Hold hairspray. I like to spray 2 layers on my skin to keep the wig secure. Also, I'm on the lookout for a new adhesive, so if you have any favorites, please drop your recommendations down for your girl as well. Like, I'm looking for new things to try. Once the adhesive is on, I'll place the lace onto my skin, working section by section to get the best install possible. I'll also go over the lace with another layer of adhesive before we wrapping it up. This extra step helps me get a longer lasting hold, especially since I like to hit the gym with this unit on. Okay, so we need this to stay on while we're running and sweating. So this extra security makes all the difference. Once that's done, I'm wrapping the elastic headband around the hairline to get the perfect melted look. Now on to the styling. I'm going for a middle part. I know, shocker, right? I feel like I'm always doing that middle part, but I just can't help it. I just love a bust down middle part. You can't go wrong with it. As you can see, the wig gives you plenty lace. I give you plenty of lace space to play with. I'm using my rat tail comb to curve out the parting, then defining it with the wax stick and pressing it down with my hot comb. And don't forget to press the back too, okay? We need the front to look just like the back. Very sleek and very neat. Now, fall is the perfect time to experiment with new looks and colors. So if you're ready to try a fiery red but aren't quite ready to commit to a full head of red, this Ombre fiery red is perfect for you. The darker roots just gives it a more natural look that won't scream a wig, if you know what I mean. It's a bold but balanced choice for the season. I'm trimming the excess lace in the front. I'm using my eyebrow razor to cut it in sections. This technique creates the most natural look by avoiding any harsh lines. I also do cut at an angle with a zigzag motion, which helps the lace blend into my skin perfectly. Now, I think adding the extra lace underneath the original lace has its pros and cons. The pros is it makes the scalp of the parting look super natural. The cons on the other end though is that you can sometimes see the perimeter line where the additional lace is laid on top of the original lace. It's not too noticeable, but still noticeable enough. That's why I didn't really pluck the hairline. I didn't want the harsh line from the second lace showing through it. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, there are times where I do feel a little discouraged when the numbers aren't exactly what I hope for, but I remind myself that every journey starts small, and creating helpful content for those of you who love it is exactly what really matters. So this week's video is especially for you, my #1 supporters. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Next, I'm applying a bit more holding spray around the hairline and using my blow dryer and rat tail comb to press the lace down. For the edges, I like to pull out small sections in the front and around my ears. I'll also pluck those areas a bit to thin them out and give the hairline a more natural, softer look. Once the edges are thinned out, I'll cut them at an angle and then use a mix of Got2b gel and my Nairobi mousse. along with an edge brush to lay them down. The mousse gives me more time to work with the edges since it slows down the drying of the gel, which allows for a more precise and smooth finish. Now, if you have any questions or suggestions, please ask and leave it down in the comment sections below. I want to really engage with you guys and get to know you, so please, let's start somewhere, okay? And then there's no such thing as a stupid question, because at the end of the day, we're all here to learn one step at a time. So please leave your comments down below. I do realize that a lot of times when I'm recording these videos, my face looks very mean, and I promise you guys, like, I'm not doing this on purpose. This is just like my natural resting bitch face. I just can't help it. I always look mean, and I don't even intend to look mean. It's just, this is just how I naturally look. So if you're bothered by that, I do apologize, but hey, that's just what it is. I'm really trying so hard to not always look so, you know, stuck up or mean, because that's not intentional. But it's just when I'm recording these videos and I'm doing my hair, that's just the natural face that I give. So I'm definitely gonna work on that, but one step at a time, y'all. One step at a time. Next, I'll comb out the hair, then brush it to get rid of any tangles, because as we know, synthetic hair does tangle regularly. That's why you need to always have a brush with you everywhere you go. Also, all the products used in this video will be listed down below, so don't forget to check it out. I'll then define my middle part by using my Chris's Cream foundation in shade 11 to enhance the parting space and make a pop. Now this next step is definitely optional. It's up to you, because as you can tell, being that they added an additional lace on top of the original lace, it makes the parting look super natural, so you don't even really need this step. Finally, I'll go in with my Kisses Cream foundation in shade 11 to blend the lace seamlessly into my skin for a flawless finish. And this is the final outcome of this look. I absolutely love the color, the curls, and the bounce of this unit. It just feels so lively and full of movements. Plus, it doesn't tangle as much as other synthetic wigs that I've tried, which is a huge bonus in my book, okay? This unit is so versatile. I can easily switch it to a side part just by playing around with the hair. It doesn't really take much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I love creating this fall ready styles for you. Let me know in the comments which style was your favorite, middle part or side part. Plus, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, so hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the rest of this fall wig series. We've got so many more looks coming your way. Thanks for watching my video. See you next week for week 4 of my fall wig series. Bye!